Today on the Home Bartender with Ann, I'm going to show you how to make a permanent holiday cocktail. I gotta say, I think this is the smartest name for a cocktail I've heard in a really long time. Trey Jenkins created the permanent holiday cocktail at Isla in Austin. Thank you to Trey. Great job on the name. I love it. I'm sure it sells a lot of cocktails on the menu. I have tried this one before, and I am super happy to try it again for you now. But while I do that, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button as well. Oh yeah. Man, it's really, really good. It's really fun. It certainly invokes that great feeling of a holiday gathering or a cocktail party. You could have this at Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas dinner, but you could also have this, I think, in the spring and summer months as well. When I first made this one and I saw that it used lime, grapefruit, and passion fruit, I figured it would probably be very citrus forward and probably too tart because of that, but it's not tart. It does start with passion fruit on the palate and it ends with that as well, but there's a great balance of all the fruit flavors that come with this cocktail in the middle. It's very, very complex. We use Averna Amaro, which I've been using a lot lately. You probably saw that last week. I think that gives this cocktail a great depth of flavor. It works really well with the bourbon that we use today. Bourbon, I feel, is a really close cousin to rum, and you know I like that. It can have sweet caramel notes, but still have that barrel flavor, which is a great balance, especially for fall cocktails. And I do like it in this cocktail a lot. We do use Licor 43 in this cocktail, which generally adds a vanilla flavor to your cocktails, but I really don't get much of that. So let me show you a little hack for that and go over the ingredients with you coming up next. All right, let's start with a passion fruit syrup. There's a ½ ounce of passion fruit syrup. ½ ounce of fresh lime juice. 1 full ounce of fresh grapefruit juice. Next, we're going to use a ½ ounce of Licor 43. By the way, my little hack for this, I don't find Licor 43 to be very vanilla forward, although it's supposed to be a vanilla forward liqueur, so I put in 1, 2, 3 drops of vanilla extract. Then we have an ounce of Averna Amaro. Next, we have an ounce of bourbon. I'm using Buffalo Trace today. I personally think it's a little sweeter than most bourbons. That's why I like it in tiki type cocktails. But I have tried this with Woodford Reserve. I really like that as well. It has a little bit more of a barrel aged flavor if you like that. So what do we have? 1 ounce of bourbon. All right, let's get some crushed ice in here and shake this up. Crushed ice in our glass first. I'm gonna strain this into the glass. Get a little bit more ice in there. I have a little grapefruit swath here that I'm gonna put in there as well. Just gonna express it a little over the top. Get it in there. Let's get a little umbrella. And how about a little Surfside sip so we can enjoy this bad boy? I'll tuck it right in there. That's the permanent holiday cocktail, folks. I really do think the permanent holiday cocktail will be a great cocktail for Thanksgiving. It's got such a great name, so smart. People will remember that and request it year after year. I think you'll definitely get compliments if you make this cocktail. Please let me know, of course, if you do in the comments. Join the fun, I really appreciate it. That's it for me today. Save this video and make yourself a permanent holiday cocktail. It's great, full of flavor, and definitely worth a try. Thanks for spending your time with me today. I'll have another cocktail recipe for you right here at my home bar next week. Cheers and be well.